The thumb screw is used to secure the air filter cover and the filter to the base. Over time, the threads can wear out or strip. The plastic knob can be broken if the tool is dropped. Replacing the thumb screw is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by unscrewing the thumb screw and removing the air filter cover. The thumb screw is held captive to the air filter cover by its threads. I'll pull the thumb screw out and then begin to rotate the cover until the threads engage with the cover. Then I can just unscrew the thumb screw away from the cover. Now I can install the new thumb screw. I'll place the washer over the screw and then thread this assembly back into the air filter cover. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter cover. And that's how simple it is to replace the thumb screw on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.